It's not just for vegans and vegetarians. Even those who eat non-vegetarian food can try this when they feel like adding a change to their diet. Tempeh is a good plant-based source of protein, which contains all the essential amino acids. Our body cannot produce essential amino acids, so we need to get them through our food. So tempeh can be a useful food option for people who are trying to lose weight, as well as those who are looking to build muscle. Tofu, tempeh and paneer, they all kind of look similar, right? Then what is the difference? Now let's move on to a very easy and tasty tempeh stir-fry recipe. Ingredients are shown here. Give everything one more good toast, and our tempeh stir-fry is ready. As simple as it looks, this dish is also very easy to prepare. 1 cup of this instead of lunch, used continuously for 60 days, and it helped with weight loss. Since it contains plenty of protein and fiber, it will keep us feeling full and we won't feel hungry while dieting. Namaskaram. In today's video, as mentioned in the title, we are going to discuss a nutrient-rich, protein-rich food called tempeh. It's not just for vegans and vegetarians. Even those who eat non-vegetarian food can try this when they feel like adding a change to their diet. First of all, what exactly is tempeh? Many of you may already know about it. Tempeh is a traditional fermented food from Indonesia and is now available in many supermarkets. It's made by adding a starter culture of a beneficial fungus called rhizobus to cooked soybeans and allowing them to ferment. This fermentation process binds the soybeans together, giving them its characteristic firm texture and nutty flavor. Tempeh is a good plant-based source of protein, which contains all the essential amino acids. Our body cannot produce essential amino acids, so we need to get them through our food, and tempeh can help provide them. It also contains several nutrients such as fiber, iron, calcium, magnesium, and folate. You can see the nutrients it contains along with what percentage of our daily requirements they provide in this list. So tempeh can be a useful food option for people who are trying to lose weight as well as those who are looking to build muscle. The fermentation process can also make some of the nutrients easier for our body to absorb and may help with digestion. So for people following a vegetarian or vegan diet, tempeh can be a good option as part of a balanced diet. Since it's a fermented food, it may also have potential benefits related to gut health. Tofu, tempeh and paneer, they all kind of look similar, right? Then what is the difference? Tofu is made by coagulating soy milk. In other words, you can think of it as something like cheese made from soy milk. It usually has a softer texture and a relatively mild flavor. I have already shared an easy and tasty tofu recipe before. I will add that video to the end screen of this video so that curious ones can check it out. Tempeh, on the other hand, is made by fermenting whole soybeans. Because of this, it is firmer and has more texture compared to tofu. Both tofu and tempeh have their own nutritional benefits. However, since tempeh is made using fermented cooked soybeans, the fermentation process may provide some additional benefits in terms of digestion and nutrient availability. Paneer, on the other hand, is a dairy product or cheese made from milk. So although paneer is vegetarian, it's not vegan. Tempeh and tofu are both soy-based, so they can be included in a vegan diet. So if you are looking for a protein-rich plant-based food option, tempeh is definitely a good choice. Now let's move on to a very easy and tasty tempeh stir-fry recipe. Ingredients are shown here. First, take some chopped cabbage in a pan. Quarter of a cabbage is taken here. Then add potato cut into small pieces. I've taken 2 potatoes. Now add our main ingredient, tempeh, cut into small cubes. Next, we can add the spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon salt or according to taste, half teaspoon fennel powder, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, You can add more or less according to your preference. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I am using ginger and garlic that I chopped together in a food processor and stored in the freezer. Now mix everything together well. After that, cover the pan with a lid and cook on low heat for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and check whether the potato and tempeh are cooked well. If they are not fully cooked yet, cover the pan again and cook for another 5 minutes on low heat. After that, remove the lid and stir fry everything uncovered for around 5 minutes on medium heat. This helps remove any excess moisture and gives the cabbage, potato, and tempeh a nice stir-fried texture. Make sure to toss everything well from time to time. Finally, just before turning off the burner, add some curry leaves. Give everything one more good toss, and our tempeh stir-fry is ready. As simple as it looks, this dish is also very easy to prepare. With protein-rich tempeh, vegetables and spices, this is a good meal option for people following a vegetarian or vegan diet. You can have 1 cup of this for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Or depending on your individual needs, you can have this as a main meal on its own 2 or 3 times a week, or have it along with rice or chapati as a side dish. Especially for those who are dieting to lose weight or maintain their weight, this can be a convenient meal option. 1 cup of this instead of lunch used continuously for 60 days, and it helped with weight loss. Since it contains plenty of protein and fiber, it will keep us feeling full and we won't feel hungry while dieting. So why don't you also try this tempeh stir fry in this way and let me know what you think. If you like this tempeh dish and this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again with another interesting video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy and stay positive. Thank you.